Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter O'Neill, and in today's video it's going to be a bit of a mix. Obviously my new merch, hope you like. It's my new shop uniform, shirts with the embroidery matching the trim, so I love them, feel really happy with those. They weren't expensive either guys. Today, it's housekeeping. The one thing you have to do with a shop that you don't have to do at home when you're working from home is constantly clean your items. I'm on a very busy main road. There's cars passing, hundreds of cars passing every few minutes, and the sheer volume of dust that comes in is unbelievable. So once a week now I tend to wash all the surfaces that are not behind glass. Once a month I tend to clean in the cabinets, but today now I'm going to wash all the crystal down, do all the worktops, all the shelving out the back room, and then if this time I'm going to start emptying. I'm going to empty one cabinet. I haven't done them for a while, so I'm going to start cleaning the cabinets, clean the shelf, clean the items in there, repack them, get them all looking nice, change them all around, bring stuff from the back room to the front room, from the front room to the back room, bring new stock down, and so forth. So it's going to be quite a busy couple of days now. For the next 2 to 3 days, it's going to be really busy. Just get it looking nice here, try and make up some room. When I redo my shelves, I always tend to find that I end up with 1 or 2 shelves free. Basically, whereas I sell something and just put something in its place, it's not always ideally the right size. So when I reshuffle everything around, I always end up with a bit more room, and I can bring another box full of stock down. Always happens. So that's great. I'm going to take a few of my dearer books home and bring some less expensive books down. So all in all, it's going to be a busy 2 to 3 days here, working on the shop, getting the shop clean and looking how I want it to look. I've had some buys, and I'm going to show you some of them now in just a minute. Quite shockingly, I've had quite a lot come in again this week. The gentleman who brought me in the box, the coins, and a load of other stuff, he did come back. He brought me the St Andrews golf clubs, and he brought me all his golf trophies. Now you're probably sat there thinking, why do I want someone else's golf trophies? I'll show you in a few minutes. He's took all the plaques off, so basically now they're just a blank trophy. Now if you were running a competition at your local golf club or something like that, to buy these trophies you'd have 60, 70, 80 pound each. He turns around to me and says, well, I'm looking for £3 each. He advertised them on Gumtree locally for £3 each, and he didn't even have any interest. Well, he brought them into me. I give him £30 for the lot, and there's about 20 or 25. So it's not much over £1 each I've given. But what I looked at was there was 10 of the tall figures, golf figures that I wanted, and I paid him the £3 each for those that he did want, and the rest I had for nothing. That's the way I look at it. All the little ones, now if they go out for a £5 or a £10, it doesn't matter to me then, they're nothing. But the big standing figures, the trophies, they go down £20, £25 each. No problem at all. And there's some really nice crystal ones. So I'll show you them in a few minutes. I'll give you a little look at what I'm actually planning on doing today now. Bear with me guys, a bit jumpy now. All the window here is going to be replaced, washed, and changed around so it's different stock in the window. I'm going to clean up on top here. Probably won't change that around, just clean it. All this crystal is going to come out. All that, it's coming out, it's going to be washed, the shelves are going to be cleaned, and it's going to be put back because the crystal's doing well from there. All along the tops, all the way around, they're going to be washed. That bookshelf's going to be cleaned, and that's just in this room, guys. We come out to the back room. All this cabinet here has to be done, washed and cleaned, as does this, and again all on the worktops. And I'll show you why. This just here now, I don't know if you can see this. Don't know if you could see that. The dust is unbelievable. So it doesn't look bad, but it's not great. So I'm going to show you all the trophies and things now in just a minute. But as you know, I'm all about keeping the business fresh, keeping it looking good, keeping things moving, working, improving all the time. If I find things ain't selling, I'll swap them out and put someone else in this place. I'd rather do this, keep the shop looking fresh, looking good, looking clean, than sit there watching a video on a computer. Gotta keep myself busy, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring some of the golf trophies in now to show you some of them. And I also bought, a man come in yesterday with his Master's Voice gramophone. That was nice. And I gave him £15 for that. So bear with me now and I'll show you these couple of pieces I've had. And then I'm going to get to cleaning. See you in a minute. Okay, I've just taken a photograph, guys, so you can actually see me. Okay, so you can actually see the collection of trophies. Now, I've pulled a couple out just to show you what some of them are. Now we've got a real nice cut crystal golf trophy. You have the little acid etched golf trophies. You have this type, which is the cheaper type, but even to buy something like this is still £15 for the golf clubs. We got a few of this type, which is a little putter and ball on stand, and we have about 10 of these freestanding golfers. The clubs are all here. You've sellotaped them so they don't get damaged. Now these are really nice. Oh no. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this camera, not focusing in on. So as you can see, they're really nice freestanding golf trophies. So they were the ones I wanted. I'm going to get £20–25 each for these. No problem at all. I'll probably get £15 for this one, another tenner for that one, and then we're moving down, maybe 10, 15s each for those. I'm going to make probably £300 to £400 back off that £30 that he wanted. It's going to take me a long time unless someone comes in, a golf club comes in and says I'll take the lot in one hit. That's a potential. But I'll splice in the photograph now. That way then you can actually see the variety, but there are some medals. Okay, excuse all the mess behind, guys. I'm trying to serve and clean and film. It's chaos this morning. Right, so what we got here is it's Master's Voice gramophone. There we see it. Now this is a working gramophone, but it's missing the horn. It has lost this bit of horn, so I'll have to get a horn for it or sell it as is. But it does actually work. Here's the winding cog for it. Just lift him up, wind him there, and I'll show you him going round now. Bear with me a second, guys. I'm doing it the right way. Here we go. There we go, so it is a working gramophone. All that's missing is the horn. It's even got a spare needle with it. You know, they got the arm that comes around and turns over and everything else. I think that goes over, I don't know exactly how it goes. But there we have it, the brake, all works. So, there we have it. I paid 15 for that. Hang on, guys. Here we have it. So we have a gramophone without a horn, but it is a running gramophone. I'm probably going to put it down the boot sale, to be honest with you, for 30, 35 quid, something like that, 40 quid. And to be honest with you, I think it'll go quite quick. These things do sell fast. So it looks the part, it just needs that horn. If it had the horn, I'd probably have 65 for it. So that's the buys that came in yesterday, were the golf trophies and the gramophone. Don't know what's coming in today yet, day's early. But I've already had 4 customers and it's not even 9 o'clock. So I'm not going to complain. Don't think I'm complaining for a second, guys. I really am not. I'm going to start cleaning the crystal now. Now all I do to clean my crystal, guys, is a bowl of soapy water. Nothing special. There we go. Bowl of soapy water. Normal towels, which I have over there for drying. I don't use nothing special. Just very liquid. In some water. Give them a wash. Job's done. That's all it is. So I'll see you soon. I'll give you a little look in a bit. There is no easy way of doing this, guys. It is simply just plonk it all here and empty your shelf. Believe me, there is no special way of doing it. It is just a pain in the ass. Empty the shelf somewhere, clean the shelf, clean the item, put it back. It's going to be a long day. Okay guys, so this is the first cabinet done. As you can see, I have washed the shelves, cleaned all the individual pieces of crystal and restacked them. Look how much more I've got on a shelf now to what was on there before. I don't know if you remember what was on there before, but look at it now. Spectacular, what a lovely lump of crystal. And of course now I got spaces absolutely everywhere. And an empty shelf there, right away through the shop there's empty pieces, gaps where I've took crystal from everywhere and literally filled that cabinet up. So really pleased. And I get a nice photograph of that now, in a minute I'll splice that in at the end just so you can see it, but look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful as you come through the door? 2 hours it took me just to do that one cabinet, guys. Oh my god. But I'm really proud of it. Okay guys, so first cabinet's done and it has taken me hours. So I'm going to give you a little look. As you can see, they look 10 times better. I got more stock on the shelves. They're better presented, they're clean, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. I'm in the process of doing the next cabinet next to it, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay guys, we have a second cabinet finished. Just give you a little look through now so you can see how it looks and what's on the shelves. I've also created another jewellery shelf, which is another way of making space. What I've done, I've now got a shelf here of all silver and gold or rolled gold pieces, and I've done the full shelf at £25 a hit. And I got a shelf over here which is a £15 shelf, and I got a shelf of earrings which will be between £5 and £15 a pair. So I'm getting somewhere, guys. Okay guys, next cabinet's finished.
Hi! Just in case you're wondering. Hello, I lost £2 in Slimming World. Go me.
So that's Sandra. Well done, Sandra.
Thank you.
Just giving you a look at this next cabinet that's done. And I have, from doing this, got a full empty cabinet, guys.
Impossible board back.
Nah,
Well,
that's alright.
I don't know.
I live. So that's these two cabinets fully done. Looking beautiful. I've got half a cabinet here now to sort out and fill. This one is done, as you know, and I got half a cabinet round here that needs filling up and sorting out. Okay guys, another cabinet down. Just letting you have a little look-see now what's in here, all priced up. As you can see, the cabinets are holding a lot more stock, they're fuller, they're looking really fresh and good, and I'm really pleased. We got one more cabinet in this room, and then we're on the bookshelf. Okay guys, it's the last cabinet in the front room, so all cabinets are done now. I'm not going to do any more cabinets today. The day's almost gone. I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning and tidying up, because I'll show you in a minute my desk area. And trying to serve people who come in is hard work when I can't move. So all in all, looking beautiful. I'm really pleased. The back room is half empty and needs restocking now, so I can bring a few boxes of stock down tomorrow for the back room. I got stuff absolutely everywhere. I'm in hell of a mess. I've emptied the window almost, so I got to restock the window. I've got to clean this bookcase up now, give it a wipe down and just re-tidy it up. But it's generally now just to clean and tidy up, and then well, your guess is as good as mine, guys. I got to well, I got 2 more days of cleaning to go yet, let's put it that way. So
hi, I didn't realise you was not the camera on. I was looking at the gramophone.
well done.
I called it a record player.
It is basically a record player.
I know, but still.
Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. You got to see the golf trophies, you got to see the gramophone, you've seen how I've redone the cabinets in the front room of the shop today. Been a long day, been a hard long day. Sandra's turned up now for the last hour of work.
I'm here. I've been really busy, guys. I've had 2 children off ill. I've been sorting out birthday surprises and everything. It's been hard work.
The children have been home with food poisoning, guys. What does that tell you?
They had it from the fish shop.
Anyway, I'm going to call it a day there on this video now. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look at these cabinets, how they've come out. I think they look absolutely stunning.
They're really nice.
They're clean, they're shiny, they're full, and I have literally emptied pretty much a full cabinet. So I can bring another £300–400 worth of stock down the shop now in £20 and £30 items. What more do I want? It looks good. I can bring more money into the shop.
Looks better now, I know. I bet he's smiling now.
Maybe make more money.
On the films, and he's like, ah, yay, Sandra's back.
Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look at the shop today and seeing the bits that have come in. I've already got some of the golf trophies out in the cabinet there. I'm going to chuck another one up on the window over there. If you have enjoyed seeing the video, guys, I would appreciate a like and a share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment to let me know you've subscribed, and I will give you a thumbs up. You'll find me on Facebook, have a page and a group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on my own website, AntiquesArena.co.uk and AntiquesArena.com. And of course, you can come visit us or myself in the shop if Happy's not here.
I'm here.
Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot, 45, 3 Hotel Bravo. Anything you want?
Watch yourself. Do you want a Magnum lollipop from Iceland?
I don't know.
Oh guys, there's 3 in the box, right? I can have a treat today now, right? And he won't eat it with me. Oh, come on. Come on.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye for now.